600-foot airshow center line. Suspended approximately 18 feet above the ground.
Mr. Bernie bought this right.
As Patty prepares to come back down, she will cut that ribbon flying upside down.
It's hard to tell, but this is where we're going to see the plane get.
Pitches back out. Now, it's below our sight line, so it definitely looks low. Patty's only marker that she's going to be able to get. Because they aren't open, laid flat on the ground. Patty will be lining up with that little airplane over upside down, and then coming at that ribbon. All right, good close look at it that time. Outside, but everywhere. Alright, gentlemen, any of you have ever made a remark about a woman driver? Well, this is one heck of a woman driver right there. Coming back around, off on the right end zone, she's going to be bringing the extra 300 right back down. Story rolls right there. She pitches out a series of inside snap rolls. To Patty Wagstaff, the sky represents adventure, freedom, and challenge. The six-time member of the U.S. aerobatic team, where she won gold, silver, bronze medals in the Olympic-level international aerobatic competition. The first woman to win the U.S. National Aerobatic Championship 3 times. One of the few people to ever win 3